everyone. In today's phonics class, we are going to learn the sound of the letter U. The sound of the letter U is A. Let's try a few words which start with the A sound. U is for up. Up. U is for us. Us. U is for under. Under. U is for upset. Upset. U is for usher. Usher. U is for unlock. Unlock. U is for udder. Udder. U is for umpire. Umpire. And not to forget me, U is for umbrella. Umbrella. I hope you enjoyed learning the sound of the letter U with me. See you again very soon in another phonics class. Until next time, goodbye and do take good care.